Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the newly redesigned 2021 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in, and looking brand new inside and out, and coming in a new color called our Antimatter Blue, which is very dark and deep blue. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking at the back seat, where you have seating for 3 spaciously and comfortably. Seats can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And then in the middle, you have fold-out cup holders with a 12-volt power outlet, as well as a USB and USB-C. And now looking at the front, where you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a partially power-adjustable driver's seat. And now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right-hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your trip 1 and 2 information, eco coach, auto start stop status. So when your vehicle is sitting idle, the engine will shut off to cut down on emissions and save you some fuel, your radio and your fuel economy. Then you can also exit out and go to your truck info for your tire pressures, off-road status, power distribution, engine info, seat belts, and then you also have your towing information and status, your navigation controls, phone controls, audio controls, and settings for your little info screen here, and some other features around your vehicle. You also have a My View, which acts as a sort of favorite screen for any subcategory for ease of access. But then moving on to the left side of the steering wheel, where you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system, and you have your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom side of the steering wheel controls. Then moving on to your center screen, which is, or your center infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth. So you do have some options there for whatever you want to listen to, however you want to listen to it. Then you have your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, whatever apps you may have installed. Whatever apps you may have installed, and then settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, and your specific features screen for your driver assistance features, towing, and owner's manual. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with reverse sensors, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and hopefully have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. And then above your screen, you have your auto start stop shut off, your camera for when you're not in reverse, and your hazards and traction control shut off. But then moving down from your screen, you have your media controls and your climate controls here with dual front climate, so you can stay at different temperatures and remain comfortable. To the left of that, you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential, and your drive mode selector here for such things as tow haul, eco, and sport modes, as well as slippery, deep snow, sand, and mud ruts. So you do have some customizability with your driving experience. And then on the right, you have this button to open up a compartment above your glove box, as well as a 12-volt power outlet and USB and USB-C. But then moving down, you have another 12-volt and USB and USB-C, as well as this shelf where you can put your device while it's charging or whatever you want to do there. And then moving on to your column shifter real quick, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. And then moving on to your center console, where you have 2 cup holders, cubby, and your center compartment / armrest. But then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck. And then you actually have another lockable compartment under that for even more storage. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.